In this video, you are going to learn how to change an SSL or PTV injector module. The example demonstrated here is an SSL injector module. Before proceeding, you need to lower the injector temperature and set the carrier gas flow to off. Make sure that the carrier gas supply is closed. GC power is off and power cord is unplugged. Wait for the oven and injector temperatures to cool down, and then disconnect the analytical column. Open the module flap cover and unscrew the 3 screws that hold the injector on the main frame, with a T20 screwdriver as shown. Then pull the injector body out from GC. Put the new injector in place and be sure the 25-pin connector on the bottom of module is correctly positioned and firmly connected into the connector on the main frame. Tighten the 3 screws evenly and do not over-tighten. Reconnect the analytical column to the new injector. Turn on all gases and GC power. The system will automatically recognize new injector. Then set the injector temperature and turn carrier gas flow on. Remember to perform a leak check on the new injector. Please refer to Trace 1300 series GC video.